A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, I welcome you to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject Maths, Lecture number 44. So the previous video we have learned the number names of 16, right? पिछले वीडियो में हमने क्या लर्न किया है? Number names of 16. So today we will do the revisions of number name 16. Okay, आज हम revision करेंगे. So firstly what you have to do, you have to take out your pencil and eraser. Okay, as you have know how to hold your pencil, so hold your pencil and repeat with me. Okay, आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. What number is this? 1 6 16. Okay, 1 6 16. Spelling of 16 is S I X T E E N 16. Okay, again 1 6 16. Okay, spelling of 16 is S I X T E E N 16. Very good. Now again 1 6 16. Okay, 1 6 16. Spelling of 16 is again S I X T E E N 16. See, this is a revision. Okay, revision of number 16 and the number names of 16, that is S I X T E E N 16. So now we have done the revision. Okay, we have done the revision of 16. See, so today we will start with number names of 17. Okay, आज हम क्या start करेंगे? Number names of 17. Okay, now again I want you to repeat with me. Okay, you have to repeat with me. आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. Okay, now tell me 1 7 is 17. Okay, 1 7 17. Okay, again 1 7 17. Spelling of 17 is S E V E N 7 T E E N 17. Can you see this? This is the number names of 17. Again 1 7 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. Very good. Again repeat with me. मेरे साथ repeat करना है. Okay, 1 7 17. S E V E N T E N 17. Again, 1 7 17. Okay. S E V E N 7 T E N 17. Okay, now again repeat with me. 1 7 17. S E V E N 7 T E N 17. Very good. Again repeat. 1 7 17. ये कौन सा नंबर है? 17, right? So what's the spelling of 17? S E V E N T E N 17. See? Again write down. 1 7 17. What's the spelling of 17? S E V E N T E N 17. Very good. You have learned the number 17. See, we are learning, right? Again write down. 1 7 17. S E V E N 7 T E N 17. What number is this? 17. S E V E N C E E N 17. So today we have learned the number names of 17. आज हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Number names of 17. So what you have to do? In your homework, you have to practice the number names of 17. Okay? Homework में क्या करना है? Number name 17 आपको learn करना है. Okay? You have to practice in one page. आपको एक पेज में प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, सो यू टेक अ पिक्चर. आफ्टर दैट टेक अ पिक्चर एंड सेंड इट टू द स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर. पिक्चर लेके स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है उसमें आपको सेंड करना है. ओके, टिल देन थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे.